Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be looking at the LG AX8600 that we got from Retro Croms in the trade that we traded off our phones. This one has a bad charging port, so we have a new charging port board out of the one we did a burnout on. We're going to verify this one's no good so y'all can see. We got it plugged in. My Note 10 is actually plugged into the same extension cord over here. So plugging it in, you get no sign of power. Charger's really loose. And you see the centerpiece starts coming out. So we'll go ahead and I already took two of the screws out right here. And those are the ones that's underneath the battery, because they're really easy to get to. We're going to take our tweezers. It's got a nice pointy kind of hook on it because I bent it all over the place every time I use them. And there's like a little indent at the very top of this. Then we're going to stick these in. And we're going to pull them up without scratching it. There's one. This is probably like the hardest part of the repair actually, guys. There's two. It's stuck to my finger. There we go. And these bottom ones. There we go. I'll take out these two at the bottom and then two at the top. I said I do have another one of these. Let me go ahead and look for it real quick, because I'll show you what mine looks like. Mine doesn't have the branding on the inside of the screen like the Alltel logo or the LG logo. Mine doesn't have that. It's just gray around the edges. It's not as cool as this one is. So that's pretty cool. That they're a little different, you know. So I know, like I said in a couple of the videos, I'm working on videos, guys. We're going to get some more videos coming up, and just give me a little more time, and we can get some cool stuff popping. I know I've got some ideas for a couple of videos coming up. If you guys have any ideas on some destruction videos, let me know if you guys still want me to do the giveaway, or if you want me to destroy those phones, let me know in the comments. It's all up to you guys. We can go either way with it. A lot of them are, you know, as is, but they're always nice phones to add to collection, so it's totally up to you guys what you want to do on that. Just let me know, and we can do the start the giveaway this week. So there's the back cover off. Oh look, charging port is right there. I think we have found the problem. Look at those soldering joints on the bottom. Yeah, my fingers are dirty, guys. I've been working on my car all day. Look at that. So here is the board that has that. All we got to do is just pick it up. And here is the charging port board. As you can see, that's where it's supposed to be soldered to, but it is not anymore. So I'm just going to throw that with that. Grab our new board, or new to it. This is the one out of the burnout phone that we did. See, I told you we still recycle phones that we destroy, you know. I have the phone that we took it out of, or at least half of it. Here's the half of it we took it out of. As you can see, we're looking in here and in here. There is no more board. So we're going to put that there. Pop our bottom plastic cover back in. And start screwing our screws back in. It's pretty easy. This was a really easy process, guys. But I figured I'd make a video on it because, you know, I always like repair videos on phones. Keeps me something to do, you know. So hopefully it gives you guys something to watch, you know. Keep you entertained. There's plenty more we're still going to be doing on here. We got a couple more drop tests coming up, I'm pretty sure. I'm thinking about buying a couple of Casio phones and drop testing them and doing some extreme tests on those because I heard they're really, really durable. And those would be kind of fun to drop test and break and give a couple of them away and stuff like that. So let me know if we should go ahead and do that. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put our little plastic caps back on. I'll try to get them lined back up where they came out of. Let me see my eyes. Yeah, I can't get my eyes to focus, guys. There's that one. I said you got to get them in a certain right area where the notch is kind of where it came out of from the clip in place. Boom. Alrighty. Oh, the screws are back in. The little covers are back on. Actually, it's still going to be dead. So no power as it was before. But it should hopefully charge this time. There we go. LGs usually do that dual boot Alltel screen. I don't know why, but they do it. Boom. And she is charging now, guys. Quick, easy repair. Nice and simple. That's all I gotta do is just swap out these little boards. And these don't change any of the information like the carrier and stuff like that. There's another board inside these that do that. So these are just like the charging port, the battery connectors, the micro SD cards, and stuff like that. That's all this one does. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.